We are going on a journey. You can call it a Caribbean cruise. We are taking a trip to visit our neighbors, our families, our friends. We're going to Bermuda, Barbados, Bahamas, the Twin Island Republic, Trinidad and Tobago, to learn more about wrongful convictions, to see how our Caribbean brethren are dealing with the issue. This is Stuck. I'm Andrew Wiles, and our focus is on wrongful convictions in Jamaica. But the beautiful thing about being a part of the Caribbean is that you get to learn so much from other people who are in a similar position to you. But it's more than that. Because Jamaica's final court of appeal is the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council in England, it means that what happens in a number of other Caribbean countries will decide, on some points, what happens in Jamaica. For example, Bermuda, it's a CARICOM associate country, and the Privy Council is its final court of appeal, just like Jamaica. DNA evidence in criminal trials has been a big topic of conversation and Stuck from the first episode. Well, Bermuda has one of the most important decisions dealing with DNA evidence in recent years. A case which went all the way to the Privy Council. At the center of the case was the evidence of a forensic scientist in the US. His testimony changed everything. We talked to him about that case and also about how we as non-scientific people should think about DNA evidence generally. Barbados and Bahamas have both had cases on one of the stickiest causes of wrongful convictions, false confessions. So we'll go to Barbados to hear from King's Counsel Andrew Pilgrim about a case which has led to phenomenal changes in that country. In Bahamas, we talked to Krista Mason-Smith. She fought to prove a young man's innocence after police got a bunch of confessions from him by torturing him. In Trinidad, we talked to a lawyer with a very unique background. Brent Winter was a prison officer and then a prosecutor. He now works as a criminal defense attorney. What I'm doing now, raising awareness about wrongful convictions, he started to do from as far back as 2020. So we're going to have a line with him and talk about what sparked his concern and why he thinks this conversation is important now. If you haven't yet subscribed to the show, please go over YouTube and do it now. You don't have to listen to it right now. You know, so elections are going, it's back to school, but at some point it will be there in your feed and you can take in the show them. You may or may not see these issues as directly relevant to you, but trust me, they are. You may or may not think that you can do anything, but trust me, you can. The first thing to do is listen and learn, and then we'll also discuss ways you can get involved and be a part of the change. All right, so let's go.